Abusia memo akwa abade wa Babalope TV so. Eye Ghana asomdwe dwumadie ene yedi so awohwe me. Baabi a wohwe me edi free we wiase afana baabi a memo akwa aba se ode wafidie no Atomalope TV. Sa wohwe me wo Ghana ana sa wohwe me amanone. Abusia me pese yedi nkomo baako mienu bi. Ye won nkomo baako mienu bi concerning about Ghana there. You know say I love Ghana papa. Dia ewo ho enie abusia aye NPP ana NDC
we
Meridi ana sebedimani atofam sa two parties ekuta character bi sa character no ya hwe yi a entime mwa wo man one se NDC ana se NPP se sei agenda 111 yes trade de no kora de aye complete aye agenda 111 na Akufo Addo ye hospital agenda 111 akawirem yes akawirem meaning the reason why aye Ghana se party bi ba say NDC say NPP ebedi djuma bi na se ofiri abamu na okwa party na wotoso no party foforo na obeba na mpese obeto adwuma dada no a aban na wogya hokoye no oyo aya na I think say yemfa say something like agenda 111 aya na medwene say NDC for to aso a yes successful a won mo nim say nimonyam no bakwa akoye Akufo Addo de say aha Akufo Addo ba ye oya agenda 111 de yemfa yensenka enshen wurem na say ni suade hu no ensai na MPP ana say Akufo Addo ne na aban ankonye nimonyam ayana I think say me susu say sana party mienu no womoyo ana womodwene because say Akufo Addo ebe ya agenda 111 a enye NDC dia enye MPP dia eye Ghana yanye taxes ayetria ena maboa no na mudi BSC agenda 111 ama oman Ghana ana se mudi ye japade bi ema oman Ghana edi enti na party bi ba se party e ba be ye biribi na se wo kwa wo fira bam na wanwi a party foforo na wo no beba no onfa ne nsanka party dada no ejapade ana se eno ama wo ye edi ama wo man no e ba no sa da bia ne we because Akufo Addo eye cathedral ye osi allegedly ebeto dwa say sika papa yi ese no e was dwumadi no eye $58 million sana wo mo eka na aya na mibisa se mo ya ade ama Ghana eye party na mo ya ama no yemfa ne say NDCC hospital mibisa se hospital na NDC AC no hospital ye NDC for dia ana say MPP for dia ana say Ghana for dia ade a eye party na japade enyo man ni nyina ade no enu na metumi aka say mo so to me na say party bi aba party aba no aba ye property waba ye japade am oman no mi bi ade we am oman no mi ye we am oman no na party no when we ade no ana wo yo no na wogya wakwa the second party no beba no power no onfa ne nsanka abusia kwasi buroni on say de yam ya na say yempanifo ye no mote wo mamu ha no they always go to Abrochire and they know what is going on there ewiase se uko obi nchen na nipa no ya ade bi fa no say ni damu wasiesie ni damu anase kwan ye ofa so ye nafuo na say ye wofa ede ne ye yo ye kokobisa no kwan ye ofa so ye ne de ne ma ne ye fe na wonso so why ye wo de ne sa enti muye mpanifo ministers muye mpanifo akokosku munya kwan ne Abrochirefo etrase di nkomo adena Ghana mpanifo muntumi bisa ideas mukọ Abrochira munko hu ni abrofo ne ye ne munye bi ewo momman mu ha ade oman a sabeta frache emranye mu adwuma de eyese ya ne ebekọ no eyese oman a emranye adwuma wo Emra ni suro nkrofo bi. Emra no esuro nkrofo bi. Da bia ne yɛhye wɔ man ni sika. Da bia ne yɛsɛe wɔ man ni sika. Na wo mo kwa wo mo bebe ka kyerɛ yɛn troka sɛ o bandada no a wɔkɔ yɛ no adeɛ we ni no yɛ ka wagye gu hɔ yate ase anka mamo mfa mo nsanka anything kamera bi mu a mo parliament ni nhyɛ mera bi sɛ aban a wo be free dwama wo be free akonwa so no de obeba be fa akonwa no nia dada no ɔyɛ na wanwie no toaso na wie ansana wo de won saka bibi foforo saade we mutimi hye mra we mai mra we ye adwuma wo Ghana ha anka enye ne se agenda 111 aka wiram enye ne se NDC ba de oye ya wanwie no MPP ba won to aso na da bia kire se wo man ne de timamufo ni nyamfaso bia wo NDC ni MPP o man ne se ya na ese na ndra na me ne papa bi frame wo fa kofi wo frame fi USA because what for me chia baby awo na me ka chance over baby a Ghana di nani akyere no baby a Ghana edi nani akyere no youth no enue ewiase da bi asama me ka se obia pe obatan ben eno mpe yidie ompe ne ba adache nti onu abu Kennedy Japan de ne ba ko school apa setana pa dia bawo His Excellency, the President of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, ama ne ba asetena pato ka papa ma ne ba dem. Hey, se Mahama ba se wo nya dwuma kora da no ewu ane papa pa setena ma ne football yi na boxing na yi so on wo hwe. Enti mpanifo no ekufo ado no mu nyina de o mumma sisi ye. Na ada na muntimi mfa Ghana fo mpanifo bi no mu. Muntimi mfa Ghana ensi ye. Ene ye hwe de we a Ghana, baby a Ghana de nani a kire no a. Brother, some few years coming on, at this year, a best no medi. At the oyo this year, ne kurawa. Akwa be jie for the winsam, and tessa, and kachuko di Jude, yo ho. I 1 year what this year. And we are stranger, we are country bini pana obaha, we akwa mo, my wobe some, oba yakwa, chuku di ba ya wanyakwa, straight up or this year. Nanka adesia tekningo pram kura nya asase nsi Sudan na wo ho akwa etimi abasa wa akwa 250 acres of land na wo de ba be si ono ni ngo pram wo be si palace atrese the whole Africa ebi ni ha na wo de ni kuromufuo dini atotoso yeti kuromu ha na sebe enkwase asem wo yi ekoso yentie sa asem no a Chukudi Jude ekaye no embra.
But I'm creating Igbo village, which has never happened in the history of the world among the Igbos in the world. As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge, maybe for a day or two. Most of their visits, it doesn't take more than 48 hours or 24 hours. They stay there free of charge, and they know that yes, this is what they have benefited from the Igbos living in Ghana. Again, our people that have accommodation problem and all that will come get there at least for 2 or 3 days before they can get a out of the country, or those that come into the country in one way or the other will have accommodation of 100 rooms guest house. We will also, in the palace of the Igbo, we also have apartment there for special guests like governors and ministers, and in future I know that we the Igbos will provide president in Nigeria, and I know that the president that will rule Nigeria at time to come must be an Igbo man, and one day by the special grace of God he also going to be part of those that are going to watch at the guest house there in Igbo village. In that Igbo village, my good brother, what I want to do there is we create streets there. We'll create streets that will represent the names of the ancient Igbos. We'll create the streets that will bear the name of Sambakwe Street. That's the ex-governor of Imo State. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, the first president of Nigeria. We'll create a street that will bear the name of Nzogbo. We'll create a street that will bear, of course, the name of my father also, the Maladi Henetu. And all the great Igbo leaders that they have gone, and those are present. We'll create streets in their name that will represent them in Igbo village in Ghana. And this Igbo village in Ghana, every Igbo man all over the world have rights to come there and buy property. Either you want a plot of land or 2 plots of land to build your dream house. We're also going to build tall buildings of maybe 6th floor or 7th floor. We'll sell them flat by flat, and we will have a single entrance in this Igbo village. When you come in there, you know you're coming into Igbo village in Ghana. From there, the Igbos will expand. We will build markets there.
Bi mamuso be di party me kasa wa akwai a such land wade be sa project we na yem penifo say yang man penifo no wo mo ye nkrofo a wo mo dwene Ghana ho pa na Ghana daw makoma so se dia me malopi Ghana daw makoma so a bi nyankopon firi ho a eyi me mafiri ho a Ghana ne to so te Akasa papa Chukudi no long time aka ye deported no na minim the relationship between Chukudi Jude and the leaders of this country. If you say, I wonder how Ghanaians are complaining about Chukudi. Mahama is not saying anything. Okujato Blokwa is not saying anything. The leaders of the country have been mute when it comes to the foreigners. Na kamodie eyen trompo na kaye di say Nigeria fo anase Fulani fo yi to Ghana ha wo mo ye nya yasomdwe na modie ye di introdi ahempa. And you people should come out. Foreign minister, you people should come out. Monka, I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaian, most of the Ghanaian leaders. My main kind of son, some of the Ghanaian leaders. Just say Emrebi anyone a chechere immigrants and as a chechere foreigner. Foreigner babe do Ghana. Just say to me kurache Ghana police. To me na I don't know. Foreigner be do Ghana. Head the way foreigners na peja be Nigeria for nan kasa to me kasa wo president na aba no. Omo president ni John Dramani Mahama. Yentimi yom foko. Nigerians are saying that. Emrebi anywhere chechere Nigeria chechere foreigners. And to Fulani fuen so ba neba. Now if you adibi ba be ye ma no edache ana ye penny for the di agoro. Ye dache bi ba. Yanhwe ya. Dia foreigners in Nigeria for the ba be ye no. It's not easy. It's not easy. Mami twa me ho semambra na me twa me ho ba. Say empoano and you to galamsey. Me twa me ho aba.
Marope TV, in God we trust.
Abusia mamu akwa ababio se yetwa ye ho abasema na yetoaso. And as I was saying, say yempanifo yi adwene wo man ho a ka wo mo best start apre wo man no edaache. Da bia na me ka se osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no adwene Ghana ho. Na oye Ghana ni pio na Ghana ni Ghana dana koma sunti osagefo 1957 odeje independent ma Ghana 1966 no free abemu ye years suspended ye na ye hwe japade ahodo a osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah edi ye bo Ghana na ye mpanifo yi they can't do anything to support the youth. And today we make us hey, John Dramani Mahama ba wanya asetena pa o. Mpanifo no wo momane ne wo mabusua wo manya asetena pa wie. Na yanga ye youth no se yama ye ni ambre na yansore ni ye ye fisa Ghana we have a leaders ye wo leaders wo munwene ye ho. Most of the Ghanaian leaders mamenka sa ya choose leaders wo munwene ye ho. They only think of themselves and the foreigners. Wo munwene timamufuo entiene timamuni kasa kura enkohu foreigner kasa ene wotie. Abuja Maya kohe baby na yetu Galamsey ewo Accra ye haba isia
why is car good for you? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car good for you? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car good for you? Why is car? Why is car? Why is car?
Abusia sese de empo nano empo epuano ana afi Galamsey no Galamsey asema ya na mempese meka nti Galamsey asema no ma me fancy wo because the India mempese meka no say me no
God have mercy upon us.
Galamsey say aban penifo ye serious pa e just seconds adwuma ma wo trema ewa ebe plan Galamsey asa na go to Galamsey abani munangasa kura create job ma timamfo no afedi ye de Galamsey na wura pum ye kosepo na kan. I don't want to talk about Galamsey issue. Abusia o pesa wo twene your WhatsApp group na Ghana Sumbi WhatsApp group. We talk about Ghana. Who NDC, who MPP now ba na the party na to. Ni adwenwene obedi di atemu ni ho mesrawo. Ai udi atemu a na mbre ne mu ayedene ye bi wafrim. Ana yesanso ewo People of Heaven group and also concerning Ghana. Every Saturday we are here UK time 10 o'clock Ghana na about 9 and you bring near Bompire pa I was wa and Asem Katwa. And we a prayer group in Heaven People of Heaven. And a Ghana soon be so there a discussion about Ghana and a yena ewo. Abuja mame and kanchra was say Jumedi baby awo opese okasa about Ghana. Would you invite me? And I say frame me or phone make me a video Eddie Asani. Especially now, me pe mo tu kwan akọ Nigeria. Me pe obi a wakọ Nigeria, akọ Nigeria, no nim the life story or the life about Nigeria. Na yempanifo no, the MBA say Canada Japan akọ kukutaku. Oko Nigeria, won ekade ko mu kunu nkra, ekade anko mu ku Kennedy. Eka ketuwebi enti abusia Nigeria for the encrophobia in fact I was said DNT you were a lot of foreigners are in this country but they be amalupe me kasa na me born Nigeria for the ni nyina ne say crime bi obeti bia no Nigeria crime bi obeti bia no Nigeria the crime of Nigerians has become too much. It has become too much and you know we will do something more beyond some kind of come on to the year because a lot of people call me and Tigana be ye say what I did here see the Okuto man and why you're born or do moment in Beguase. Ama Ghana Yamama mini sundodo Yama or bad time Ghana is sundodo adentia because or bad time or bad time Ghana or bad time will be a brand of wasi on pen with jasem on pentokwasem on pepasabasa and I yet take it you're taking advantage as in the weak points. as the weak points. Sena Ghana enti hwe krobia eye nipa mu baako. Ghana ni suban nie the character of Ghana ompe mojasem ompe ntokwa ompe ewudis no ma basa oye na de na ohwe wudin enti empenifuo binuma take the advantage of Ghana and omotete ama Ghana na ama Ghana esu ono ani ye mu ma foreigners no ono ankasa ni ye mu ma foreigner ono Ghana friends ama Ghana ono ani ye mu ma no is a foreigners tete wo ye mpenifuo ama Ghana ono ani ye mu ma na ye Ghana fo no osuma ne ma ani ye de ajapade ama Ghana ye to ho no ehwa hoho ye ma ahoho tietia Ghana maso ama Ghana esu wate ye penifo mo hwe bibiye na oman sanka edikanfo no ye ni sei eto ho a nka mo anya nigye enti de penifo no ye to ho no ye besere Ghanaian leaders mo nso mo mayen na mo nya biribi ma nchirima na Ghana eyo man Ghana eyo nyankopon eman suku aye basa edwom kodwom aye ntahwe eno ama ye basa a driver for so kasa a teacher for kasa police for kasa chese obi ani asomdwe e de na ba Ghana enkrofo bi ana afom Ghana eno mu nkrofo kakra bi ekuo kakra bi ana enjoy Ghana ade na wo se banasa erade hu o mayi mobo ye penifo mu hwe bibiye no me yara ne yewo ye ni foforo bia wo ba bia bidin Elisha Malope aha ana brebe makwan na mede yawa da dwumadie esie nyame yadoma enyumere 8 o'clock ebia na sangaba eda wase makrao bye bye.
Marope TV, in God we trust.